To buy Trump coin on Coinbase wallet, you need to have a few things set up. First, start by downloading the Coinbase wallet app from the App Store on your device. Once you have downloaded and installed the app, create an account by following the on-screen instructions. After you have created your account, you need to add a payment method to your Coinbase wallet account. This can be a bank account, debit card, or credit card. Adding a payment method allows you to fund your account and buy cryptocurrencies like Trump coin. Now that your account is set up and funded, you need to navigate to the trading section of the app. Here you can search for Trump coin and select it from the list of available assets. If Trump coin is not available on Coinbase, you may need to use a different cryptocurrency exchange that supports this coin. To buy Trump coin, enter the amount you want to purchase and confirm the transaction. Make sure you have enough funds in your account to cover the purchase. The price of Trump coin may fluctuate rapidly, so make sure you are comfortable with the current price before making a purchase. After you have completed the purchase, your Trump coins will be stored in your Coinbase wallet. From here, you can send them to a different wallet, use them to make purchases, or hold them as an investment. It is also important to keep in mind that buying any cryptocurrency, including Trump coin, involves risk. The value of these assets can be volatile, and there is always a chance that you could lose some or all of your investment. As with any investment, make sure you do your research and only invest what you can afford to lose. In conclusion, buying Trump coin on Coinbase wallet is a straightforward process that requires you to set up an account, add a payment method, navigate to the trading section, and complete the purchase. Always make sure to do your research and understand the risks involved with investing in cryptocurrency before making a purchase.